Story: The Lantern Keeper's Secret. In the vibrant city of Lumina, a 22-year-old named Arjun was struggling to balance his dreams and reality. He was an intern at a renowned architecture firm, desperate to prove his worth, but the pressure to succeed weighed heavily on him. To Arjun, life felt like a race, one where he always seemed to be falling behind. One evening, after working late, Arjun missed his train home. Frustrated, he wandered through unfamiliar streets until he stumbled upon an old, glowing shop tucked between modern skyscrapers. Its sign read, "The Lantern Keeper's Workshop, Light Your Path." Intrigued, he stepped inside. The shop was mesmerizing, filled with lanterns of every shape and size, glowing softly in warm hues. Behind the counter stood an elderly man with a gentle smile. "Welcome," the man said. Arjun hesitated but confessed, "I feel like I'm running in circles. No matter how hard I try, I can't seem to get ahead." The old man studied him for a moment before handing him a small, unlit lantern. "This is your guide. It will light up only when you walk at the right pace, not too fast, not too slow." Confused but intrigued, Arjun took the lantern. As he walked home, he noticed its faint flicker. If he hurried, the light dimmed. If he slowed down, it grew brighter. The next day, he carried the lantern with him. At work, when overwhelmed, the lantern dimmed, reminding him to pause and refocus. When he procrastinated, it flickered, urging him to take small steps forward. Over time, Arjun began noticing things he'd overlooked: the beauty of a quiet park, the joy in collaborating with colleagues, and the ideas that came during moments of calm. One pivotal day, Arjun faced a critical design project that left him stuck. Frustrated, he stared at the lantern, which remained unlit. Taking its silent cue, he stepped away and climbed to the rooftop of his office. There, as the sun set and bathed the city in golden light, inspiration struck. The simplicity of the view gave him the breakthrough he needed, a design that was elegant yet practical. His project was a success, earning him recognition and a promotion. Yet, Arjun realized the real victory wasn't the achievement, it was a shift in his mindset. He returned to the shop to thank the old man, but the shop was gone. In its place was a plaque that read, "The light you seek isn't ahead of you, it's in the steps you take today." As Arjun held the lantern, now glowing steadily, he smiled. He understood that life isn't about rushing toward the future but finding balance in the present. Moral: success is not about how fast you run but how well you walk the journey. Trust the process, stay present, and the light will guide you forward.